Do you help with chores around the house?
Yes.
Yes.
What do you do?
Fold the clothes.
Put away the clothes.
Do you do anything else?
Emma makes the breakfast.
And what do you do, Charlie?
Nothing else.
Did you learn how to do the laundry?
Yes.
How do you do the laundry?
Just putting the fabric softener, putting the wash, and that's all.
That's it?
Oh, and cold water.
Hello, boys and girls. Hello, mommies and daddies. Welcome to another episode of Learning with Daddy Henry. My name is Henry.
My name is Charlie.
And my name is Emma.
And he's our daddy.
That's me. Hey, it's another episode for the parents. Everyone, please say chores.
Chores. Chores.
Very good. I think Charlie and Emma are old enough to do some chores and help out around the house and have their own responsibilities. For example, my responsibility at home has been, everybody please say, do the laundry.
Do the laundry. Do the laundry.
Yes, doing the laundry has been my responsibility at home for many years because I made the mistake of telling Mommy Jasmine that doing the laundry and hanging up clothes actually relaxed me.
Try not to use dryers. They waste a lot of electricity, more than your refrigerator or AC.
Dryers could create lots of unnecessary CO2.
Very good, girls. We need to protect our planet. Our next chore has actually been pretty easy for the girls. Everybody please say, fold the laundry.
Fold the laundry. Fold the laundry.
Yes, Mommy Jasmine has worked at many clothing stores over the years, so she's actually pretty demanding when it comes to folding the laundry.
You can consider using folding tools.
Remember to fold your sweaters on hangers except for hanging them so they won't stretch.
I also try to do this next chore as often as I can because I can't cook. Everyone please say, do the dishes.
Do the dishes. Do the dishes.
Very good. I know we say do the bowls in Chinese. Well, it's because they probably use plates and dishes a lot more than we do in the West.
Remember to use the hottest water possible to remove grease and avoid dry spots.
Remember to wash it from the least greasy to the most.
Now, what is the difference between a dish and a plate? Well, the easiest way to say it would be that a dish is deeper than a plate. Okay, on to our next chore that we probably spend the most time doing in most households. Everybody please say, sweep the floor.
Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor.
What do we use to sweep the floor? Yes, of course, we use a broom. And what else can we use to help us clean the floor? We could use a vacuum cleaner. Everyone please say, vacuum the floor.
Vacuum the floor. Vacuum the floor.
Yes, we use a vacuum cleaner to vacuum the floor. One more step before we could finish cleaning the floor. Everyone please say, mop the floor.
Mop the floor. Mop the floor.
Yes, it's really easy to remember because we use a mop to mop the floor.
Our mommy's the one that mops the floor in our house.
Our mommy made the mistake to tell our daddy mopping the floor makes her feel better.
That was not very smart.
Not at
Yes, be careful what you say. Actually, I convinced most of my American friends to take their shoes off at home too. The Asian way makes a lot more sense when it comes to cleaning the floor. Now, this next chore is something that we should all be very grateful for because it takes a lot of time and a lot of preparation. Everybody please say, making breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Making breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Making breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Very good. Now, in a world where food is only an app or a phone call away, and with convenience stores at every corner, it takes a lot of focus to prepare your meals. So if you still have someone who do prepare meals in your house and in your family, please be very grateful.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Mommy.
Yes, thank you so much, Mommy Jasmine. Okay, this last chore is probably the first one that I learned to do as a kid and also something that I still have to do every day because it's very important. Everyone, please say, take out the trash.
Take out the trash. Take out the trash.
That's right. If you have a foreigner that's new in your neighborhood, please help them with their very first Taiwanese garbage truck experience.
The song is Beethoven's For Alice.
Dun, 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 dun,
Okay. Emma, what's the other song?
Baronoscos and Maiden's Prayer.
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Thank you so much for watching another episode of Learning with Daddy Henry. We hope you had a good time. I know we did. And if you like our videos, please click like, subscribe, share, or follow, and make some comments down below. And if you haven't, please turn on the bell. Okay? Once again, my name is Henry.
My name is Charlie.
And my name's
And he's our daddy.
Now, girls, what do we have to do when we're waiting for the garbage truck in Taiwan? Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.